I need some ketchup.
All right. Hello, friends. We're in. This is my sister. We're being silly together, but she's making meatloaf, and that's one of my all-time favorites.
Meatloaf.
So, meatloaf. Yeah, that's what we used to call it when we were kids. Meatloaf.
Yeah.
Robin. This is my sister, Robin.
Oh,
she
hi,
is
Bonnie.
my baby sister. I know it's hard to believe. So, Robin, what is in your meatloaf? What do you put in your meatloaf?
Well, I kind of cheat. I just throw, regular ground beef in there, and I use the Lipton onion soup packets. And I
Okay.
throw them in there because they're quicker than cutting up whole onion. If I feel like I have energy, I will cut the onion up and then use beef stock.
So you don't make your meatloaf like Mom?
Yeah. Mom always used Lipton onion soup mix.
I do not remember that.
Well, she did.
I'm gonna ask her tomorrow. I think you're fibbing
because I use a lot of Worcestershire sauce and pepper, and sometimes I'll throw in a little extra seasoning if I need it. Use a lot of ground pepper and and of course Italian breadcrumbs and a couple of eggs.
Okay, so you don't put like ketchup or mustard in yours?
Yeah,
oh, you do.
Put ketchup in there, and then I'm gonna top it off with some tomato paste.
Oh, okay. So you top yours with tomato paste. Interesting. Did you know that I top mine with ketchup and maybe a tad of brown sugar?
Yes, I do. See, I've done that as well. Not brown sugar, but I use ketchup.
And do you put bacon on yours?
I am going to put bacon on it.
Ooh.
Sometimes I stuff it with cream cheese too.
Oh,
it's really good.
Just plain old cream cheese?
Yeah, I just pushed it in little spots through the meatloaf.
Oh,
so
man.
Maybe, I can do it today.
Ooh.
If you like.
Let's see. I don't know. Do we want an unadulterated meatloaf or
You call it jalapeno popper meatloaf.
Oh, okay. You know what? I think now that you said that,
that would be awesome.
No, I don't.
Oh, yeah.
No jalapenos for me today.
Yeah. Well, actually, what I might do too today, I might throw some cheddar cheese on top instead of cream cheese. I like to do that too. Like put it in the middle and then form it and then put some cheddar cheese in the middle, and then just put the leather top on there so that when you cut into it, you got goozy cheese in the middle.
You know that I make Italian meatloaf. Sometimes I'll do that. Like I'll put Italian seasonings.
Yeah.
And I won't put the mustard or the ketchup. I'll do the Italian seasonings. I'll put like some tomato paste in the meat.
Yep.
And I put mozzarella. I put mozzarella in between. Like I put one layer, then a layer of mozzarella and pepperoni, and then I put another layer of meat, and then I pour a jar of
pepperoni sounds good.
Yeah. Joe likes that because he don't like meatloaf, so.
Yeah. Doctor it up.
Yeah.
We all love it in this house, so we could.
Yeah.
I've learned making a small thing of meatloaf just isn't gonna cut it. So.
No, and I love leftover sandwiches. Yeah.
So does George.
Now, do you eat your sandwich hot or cold?
I like mine hot. George likes his cold.
Oh, okay.
I think he likes his cold.
Yeah, I like mine cold.
Mom likes hers cold too.
Yep, so do I. So.
I'm gonna grab some cheddar cheese out of the refrigerator.
All right. This is how it
just
looks.
Layer it.
She put the cheddar cheese under there. And now she's just putting the. I tried with my family, so I tried to outsmart them with meatloaf meatballs.
Yeah, they didn't fall.
They didn't fall for it. It was called a cowboy meatball. There was bacon in it and cheddar. Ooh. So you mix in the meat, the raw meat, bacon, cheddar cheese. I can't remember what the spices were, and anyway, I think barbecue sauce or something because it was cowboy meatballs. It really was like a glorified meatloaf, but yeah, they were it just tastes like meatloaf and balls, small meatball forms. I'm like, oh well, I guess I can't get away with you guys, but. Anyway, and how long are you going to cook that? That's a big sucker.
Yes, it is. I'm going to have to crank the heat up to 375 because I have baked potatoes in the oven right now. So, but these will still cook relatively quick.
It's probably going to take an hour, right?
Yeah, at least a good hour.
Yeah.
We're not in any rush. What else have we got to do? Huh? So I'm going to top it off with some... I got to wash my hands. They're so grody.
Yeah.
So, clean hands are happy hands.
Here, I'll pause.
So my meatloaf. I just kind of like to keep it like meatloaf, like meatloaf, traditional meatloaf.
Yep.
But cheese is always,
no,
oh my gosh, you gotta have.
Yep.
Cheese. There, we gotta give it some more love. Keep it nice and moist.
Here is the finished product. Yum!
See all the cheese in the inside? You know what might also be really good in this too is maybe some roasted red pepper.
Oh, yeah.
Stuffed in the middle, don't you think?
Cheese, yes.
Cheese and love and cheese.
So did you drain?
I drained, yeah, look how much fat produced out of that. That's because a lot of bacon. But
yeah, and then see.
Yeah, so.
Oiled and salted the potatoes.
Yeah.
Let me get a picture of your face. Hey. Very good job.
Thank you.